Are you ready to connect with friends and families on the world's largest social media platform? Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of creating your own Facebook account, from signing up to customizing your profile. Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, we'll show you how to create Facebook account, sign up, and customize your profile. Let's dive in. First, open up Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. First, go to the Play Store. Click on the search bar. Now type Facebook. You can tap on the Facebook app. I have already installed it, so let's click on Open button. Now click on Create New Account, which is at the bottom. Click on Get Started. Enter your first name and your surname. Tap on Next. Now enter your date of birth. Click on Set. Now hit Next. Tap on the circle of your gender. Now click on Next. You can add your mobile number or you can sign up with your email address. Hit Next. Now create a password for your profile. Click on Next. You can choose according to your requirement. Click on I agree. Now your account has been made. To customize your profile, click on the profile at the top left corner. Here, you can add your profile picture by clicking on the profile. You can choose your profile picture from a gallery or you can import it from your Instagram. Customize your profile more, you can click on Edit Profile. Here, you can add a profile picture and also your cover photo. You can also add a bio to describe yourself. For other details, you can add current town or city you live in, your workplace, your education, your hometown, your relationship status. You can also add links, and that's how you sign up and customize your Facebook account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming video.